We are the law firm that handled Mr. Owere's application for judicial review. And we are happy that the court agreed with us on all the points we raised, that this was a very shambolic attempt, a very dirty job. If people wanted to remove Mr. Owere, I think they could have done it in a smarter way, but the court was able to see through whatever games they were playing, and the court came to a conclusion. As I've said, agreed with us on all the points. In fact, said whatever they tried to do against Owere was illegal, ab initio. From the very beginning, everything that they did was illegal. Among some of the declarations or the decisions, the remedies that the court gave Mr. Owere, okay? The court declared, for example, that the meeting of 15th November at Hotel Africana here and its resolutions are illegal and ultra vires. If you remember the meeting of Hotel Africana, that's the meeting at which this mob, which is being held together by hostage, in NOTU there is a group that are hostage, who are holding the rest of the workers as hostage, driving them to arrive at selfish gains. They called the meeting here, and then that meeting the court has declared whatever was done and the resolutions there as illegal and ultra vires. The court also declared that the petition dated October 25th, 2022, this was the purported petition upon which the whole subsequent events against Owere started. The court declared that that petition was incompetent, illegal, and ultra vires the Labor Unions Act and the NOTU Constitution. So the petition itself falls apart. So there is no petition as we speak about now. It can't be revived, it is dead. The meeting that considered it is declared illegal and ultra vires. The third declaration that the people who purported to assume office after Mr. Owere was removed, could name Mr. Musa Okelo, Mr. Bigirwa, you know all those people, okay? All that was illegal. Their purported assumption of office was illegal, irrational, and null and void. So whatever they are doing, they are holding out. They are not valid elected officials of NOTU. They have no locus to conduct NOTU business. This is an order of the Court of Law, the High Court of Uganda. It has effect. In the end, I'll tell you about what defying court orders entails. The court also made a declaration that Mr. Owere is the lawful chairman. Mr. Owere here, Mr. Owere here, please smile to them. Is the lawful chairman of NOTU, of National Organization of Trade Unions, and all the workers. Please look at Mr. Owere. He's been fighting for you all along. The court has validly stated he's still your chairman, and any attempt, okay? Most importantly, the court issued a permanent injunction. A permanent injunction against those hostage takers, the coup plotters, and any other person, okay? From suspending permanent injunction or removing Mr. Owere from the office of Chairman General of NOTU, or carrying out, this second part is very important. The court also put an injunction on them, Mr. Bigirwa and the rest who are holding out. It is an injunction on them carrying out any activity, any other activity. First of all, they are not supposed to move on Owere at all. Not even to call any meeting, to summon a disciplinary, to do anything. But as well, they are not supposed to carry out any other activities. Any other activities. I hope you have read this judgment is available online. Stopping them impermanently not to carry out any activity, these people, on behalf of NOTU, These are the orders of court. Of course, court ordered that they pay him damages. If they dare appeal, we are going to appeal the quantum of damages, because the damage was, in our view, very minimal for the kind of damage to his name and the pain that have caused him and the anguish to him and the workers. So we shall be, if they ever appeal, we shall also cross appeal on the question of damages, so that they feel this pain. And this damage, the money that they have been ordered to pay, the court ordered that they should pay it themselves individually, each of them. They are not supposed to take this money from the coffers of NOTU. You know why? Because NOTU did not instruct them. They had no authority to conduct any business of NOTU. So individually they must pay Mr. Owere 30 million shillings, which we think is too little. I think they should be paying much more. But then this money must come from them individually. If they dare appeal, then this money is going to be multiplied by so much, and again individually. So, and of course the court awarded us costs with the lawyers for the sweat and the work we have done. I can't even begin to tell you how much those people are going to pay, but it's not small money. It's not small money. So, this is where we stand. We shall be moving very swiftly to court to extract the order of court, the orders, because this court does not make decisions in vain. Court orders are to be respected by everyone, all authority, everyone. So we're going to extract these court orders and serve them upon the registrar of labor unions, who is the supervisor, the authority that supervises trade unions and the labor unions. Once this is served on the register on labor unions, he will be required to make the necessary changes on in the register of labor on the union of NOTU. One, to affirm that Owere is the Chairman General of NOTU and all those other masqueraders are out, and that Owere should go back and work. So we are going to extract that court order, serve it, and that's actually the next stage. Orders are to be respected by everyone, okay? Or else there are sanctions and consequences, dire ones. So as I said, the procedure, we are going to extract the court order, serve it on them, on the registrar of trade unions. The registrar, who is the authority, who is the one who entered them in the register as leaders following those illegal activities, will be required to rectify the register, to cancel those entries. It is a court order. Okay? And once they are cancelled, on what basis will they be holding on to those padlocks and offices? So that one is a legal matter. Some people talk out of excitement, but the law will catch up with them. So no worries about that. Mr. Owere will follow the law, we shall follow. If the other people are reasonable enough, he's open to dialogue with them in the interest of the workers. He's not interested in unnecessary fights. This was totally unnecessary. You try to warn them that you people are proceeding illegally, but they were refusing to see the reason. I think the court, rather than continuing, any attempt, by the way, to continue the illegal things will just be digging a deeper hole. This is a time to realize, oh, I think we can't go any further. Mr. Owere is here, they can reach out to him and we will discuss with them. Otherwise, then whatever they do, if it is on the legal front, we shall be ready to meet them there and again defeat them, because the facts here are very, very clear. There's nothing. You can't turn white into black.
Court order? The court order does not work on me. That one is rubbish. We change. That one doesn't work in trade union. We don't deal on that.